Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to restore or recover a deleted Google Tag Manager account or container. Alright, so if you have accidentally deleted a Google Tag Manager account or container, you have 30 days to restore that account or container, and here's how to do it. So all you have to do is open up tagmanager.google.com, and of course you have admin access to be able to do this. And in the account page you will see all of your accounts. This is just a test account, so it doesn't have any other accounts here, but if you have multiple accounts you have to scroll down to the bottom and you will see this trash can where you have your deleted containers and accounts, and as you can see there is one in the trash can now. And as I mentioned, you have to do this within 30 days after deleting the account, because if you do not restore the account in 30 days it will be deleted permanently. But if you want to restore the account, just click on the deleted number there and you will see the list of accounts that you have deleted or the containers and when was it deleted. And as you can see, in this case you have to click on the account to be able to restore it. So once again, just click here and you will see some info on the account, who can restore it, and just click on restore here. You can also export the settings if you want to do that. But now the account restored, you have to republish its containers to make them live. So notice how you can restore or recover a deleted Google Tag Manager account.